In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's integration with Zapier. This is an incredibly useful tool that helps you automate tasks between HubSpot and other apps, streamlining your workflow and saving you time. First things first, you'll need to head over to the user guide on HubSpot. You can access this by navigating to app.na2hubspot.com and searching for the user guide section. This will be your go-to resource for understanding the nuances of the HubSpot platform and its integrations. Once you've accessed the user guide, look for any highlighted sections which may provide additional insight or important tips to consider while setting up your integrations. It's always a good idea to pay close attention to these highlights, since they often contain key steps or common pitfalls to avoid. Next, you will want to locate the Apps section within HubSpot. This is where you will find all the integrations that HubSpot offers, including Zapier and many other powerful tools that can enhance your productivity. In the Apps section, find the search bar and simply type in Zapier. This is a convenient way to quickly locate the exact integration you're looking for without having to scroll through endless lists of apps. After typing Zapier into the search bar, you will notice Zapier appears in the list of available apps. Click on Zapier to access more information about this powerful integration and to begin the installation process. Clicking on Zapier will take you to a detailed page that describes everything you can achieve by integrating Zapier with HubSpot, along with user reviews and a list of features. Once you're on the Zapier page, you'll find an option to install the app. Click on Install App to begin the process of integrating Zapier with your HubSpot account. You may be prompted to authorize the integration or provide necessary permissions to allow HubSpot and Zapier to communicate effectively. Make sure you read through any prompts carefully, granting the required permissions so both tools can work together seamlessly. By following these steps, you'll be able to automate many of your daily tasks, saving time and reducing the chance of errors. From automating email campaigns to syncing contact information across platforms, the possibilities are vast. Now, you can sit back and let automation take care of repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. If you have any questions while setting up this integration, be sure to check back on the user guide for additional support and resources. Enjoy your newfound productivity.